Kartoffelsalat, German potato salad. A main dish from Germany. Serves 4. You will need 12 ingredients. Step 1. In a saucepan, cook the potatoes until they're barely tender and then drain them. Step 2. Peel and slice the potatoes into a large bowl and set it aside. Step 3. In a skillet, cook the bacon until it's crisp. Step 4. Remove the bacon to paper towels and discard all but 1/3 cup of the drippings. Step 5. Sautee the onion and drippings until they're tender. Step 6. Stir in the next 6 ingredients. Step 7. Gradually stir in the water and vinegar, bringing them to a boil, while stirring constantly. Step 8. Cook and stir 2 more minutes. Step 9. Pour this mixture over the potatoes. Step 10. Crumble the bacon and gently stir it into the potatoes. Step 11. Sprinkle with parsley. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.